Who's making that sound? Wee Wee's world is full of sound on the ground and all around. Who makes the chirp that comes from his feet? It's a grasshopper calling who's been left on repeat. Who makes the crick-crick that comes from the sky? It's the bee-eaters calling as they fly by. Who makes the hiss as he hears from the ground? It's a little chameleon making that sound. You might think she's tough, but it's really all bluff. Who makes the booming he hears all around? It's the big black hornbills that live on the ground. Who makes the grrr that he hears at night? That makes his chest pound and gives him a fright? Don't be afraid, you have nothing to fear. Lions won't attack with your family near. There's only one thing that could cause you to run, that should make you stop playing with your friends in the sun. They are not at all big, they are quite hard to see. They can chase you and sting you. It's the honeybee. When they get annoyed and swarm out of their nest, it's wise old Athena who knows what to do best. Run, wee wee, run, don't be the last one. I hope you enjoyed Who's Making That Sound. Have a good day.